In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Facebook story from specific people. So I have uploaded here a Facebook story, but I'd like to go ahead and hide it from some people. To do so, it is quite easy. Just head over to your profile image here and then tap on it to access the menu. Now, under menu here, tap on this gear icon to open settings. Now, from settings, scroll down until you get to the section called audience and visibility. Now, from this, you can see we have stories. Now, go ahead and tap on it. And then you can see we have this option called who can see your stories. Currently, it is set to friends. So to change this, go ahead and tap on it. And then we want to change this from friends to friends except. So if I go ahead and choose this option, it will go ahead and list all the friends that I have on Facebook. And here they are. Now I have to go ahead and select those friends I want to exclude from this story. So if I go ahead and tap on this and this, say I want to exempt these two, then it means this two will not be able to see my Facebook story. Once you have selected those specific friends, go ahead and save your settings by tapping on done here. And this is done. Now you can see friends exempt. Those friends that have been exempted from viewing my stories have been listed here. Go ahead and now finalize by tapping on save. And you're told that this change will apply to any photo and video currently in your stories, in addition to those you add from now on. So go ahead and tap on save, and that change now will take effect. So that's how you exclude or hide your story from specific people on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.